Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Levitating by Dua Lipa. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 4 chords. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, this entire song is made up of 4 chords that repeat. The first of which is a B minor 7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string. Next is a G flat minor 7 chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 9th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Next is an F minor 7 chord. So you're just going to take the G flat minor 7 chord and move it down 1 fret. And then last is an E minor 7 chord. So you're just going to take the F minor 7 chord and move it down 1 fret. And then we're going to go back to the B minor 7 chord. And it repeats. I'll play it for you one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Levitating. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Thanks.